Today we are looking at the Lima Orient Express train set. The Hornby 2018 catalogue shows the Night Express train at Shakespeare Cliff. Here we see a Nelson locomotive with Orient Express type carriages behind. However, Hornby has never issued these carriages, so the only ones you can get are the ones in the Lima Orient Express set, which unfortunately are OO Gauge. However, Triang did issue some Orient Express coaches, and they were featured in the YouTube channel John's Amazing Trains, but they're virtually unobtainable nowadays. On the box it says Train Orient Express, and on this side we've got the controller in there, and on the other side there's a picture which I presume is the Orient Express at a layout this to the station. This picture appears to be stuck onto the outside of the box, but it's not, it's a part of the packaging. Let's open up this up and see what we've got inside. Well, you've got an oval of track, and you've got a train controller. You've got a set of things to hold the track together if you want to put it out on a temporary layout. And inside the box is the obligatory instruction leaflet. Lima. Just tells you the usual stuff about connecting up the wires and avoiding electrical shorts and so on. So if you're an experienced train set owner, that wouldn't really be of much interest. Here we see we've got quite a nice set. We've got 4 carriages and 1 luggage van and a locomotive. Let's get it out onto the layout and have it going round and see what it looks like, shall we? No, first of all we're going to put the things on the turntable and have a closer look. This is the luggage car. You can see it says International Wagon-Lys on it. It has a silver roof and it has a clerestory kind of thing on the top there. It's not glazed. There is some detail on the end, and we can see that the buffers are depicted and the corridor connection is depicted. Here it says Company Internationale de Wagon-Lys. Édition Européenne, whatever. This is the Pullman car. Here we see the flesh door golden arrow insignia here. And here it says Pullman car. And along the top it says Compagnie Internationale des Wagons-Lits et des Grands Express Européens. And at the other end there's another arrow, golden arrow, flesh door pointing in the opposite direction. This is quite a good model for its age, but you'll note that it does only have plastic wheels and there's no detail underneath. But that doesn't matter much because you can't see it when it's on the track anyway. This is the sleeping car. You can see once again it says Compagnie Internationale des Grands Express Européens. There in the middle is the insignia. See that? Insignia there. This is the Pullman car, which I presume is not the first class Pullman car. It's finished in blue, whereas the first class one is finished in cream and umber. This is the first class sleeping compartment, I presume. The roof is quite nicely finished in a silver finish, with quite a lot of detail on it, but these Pullman cars are not true to scale. This is the SNCF electric loco you get with this train set. It's quite a convincing loco, but it's very out of date and has a ring-filled motor. Something to note is it does have metal pantographs on the roof which are not functional. These pantographs can be raised though, I believe. Yes, there you see, they can be raised. So if you did have catenary, you could raise it up. Take a close look at this loco. See, it says SNCF, which is the French Syndicat National Chemin de Fer Français. Here's the front of the loco. And there again, quite a lot of detail on it, and it has glazing in the front, but there's no interior detail. If you get this train set, you do get quite a lot of train for your money. You do get 5 cars and a loco, so it's 6 items all told. Here is a demonstration with a supplied track and controller. Here we go then, the moment of truth. And off she goes. Let's speed her up, warp factor 3. Yeah, goes well. This controller that you get with it looks a bit cheap and plastic, but it's better than the Hornby one. It makes no buzz. So nothing the matter with it. We need only add a tunnel and a station and perhaps some chalets to go beside the line. And then we've got a layout.